All right, Fat Squidward here. I am just taking a walk, and there is a pretty good storm coming towards here, as you can see. Sorry if my camera got crooked there. But anyway, this is the lightning with this storm is epic. I mean, yeah. So anyway, we will be getting, at least as of tonight, June 24th, 2024, there will be a storm coming at around midnight. So yeah, there will be, I think this is going to be a first round of storms, and then there will be another round around midnight or something like that. And so yeah, anyway, the lightning, like I said before, the lightning is pretty damn cool, if you ask me. So just sit back and enjoy the show. That was loud. Hope you guys can see the lightning just as well as possible. So, in case you can't tell, I am not looking through the camera. So yeah, I just hope you guys can see. Just hope you guys can notice that. So I'm just trying to keep this as good as possible. Oh, I hope you guys saw that. So yeah, as you can see, and I'll show you the sunset over here. Oh, focus you. Oh, please, just oh, went out again. Alright, so it's not gonna focus, so I'm just gonna snap a picture here. Alright, there you go. Pretty cool, huh? And most of the lightning's coming from down there. Alright, and now let's walk back and admire the sunset. All right, so, and like I said before, I'm not looking through the camera, so it may be a little shaky and might not be looking or it might not be pointing where I want it to point at. So yeah, I hope you could forgive me for that. Sunset is pretty eerie right now, to be honest with you. Far more eerie than it is on camera. So yeah, and sadly with the trees and those apartments over there in the way, which you can't see, I am unable to show you guys the sunset at this moment, but you might be able to see it soon, as soon as I get past these buildings right here. Excuse me. Didn't see it coming. I don't think you're going to be able to see it, but that's okay. I'm just going to point it this way. There you go. So yeah, there is some storms coming tonight, like I said before. So yeah. Alrighty. Looks like I might be able to show the sunset pretty soon, as I get past these trees over here. Hold on, I gotta drink some water. Much better. But yeah. Anyway, so I have no idea what to say about. I have no idea what to say or talk about, so I'm just gonna be silent and please enjoy the video, like I said before. Sorry for the shakiness. Like I said before, I'm not looking through the camera. So please don't expect it to be perfect. And looks like you're not going to be able to, looks like we aren't going to be able to see the sunset. Yeah, looks like that's never going to happen. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and you subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.